Heighton Mezzanines makes the process simple for you. The aim is to design and create the most efficient solution for your specific needs.
We manufacture and supply custom designed systems for companies all over Australia.
From construction to installation, great team, great result. Built in Australia, Heighton Mezzanines have a complete ownership of their quality control process. Heighton Mezzanines supports Australian manufacturing by using leading raw material suppliers throughout Australia. This means a consistent supply and an assurance that your installation will be completed as planned, on time. The experience of the Heighton Mezzanine team is now second to none, with many successful projects behind them and many more to come. Recently, Globe, an Australian success story, needed more room at their international headquarters in Port Melbourne. Globe didn't want to fracture their operation with another location, not to mention the high cost of real estate in Port Melbourne. Heighton Mezzanines created a practical and economic solution with little disruption to their day-to-day logistics. This was achieved by staggered delivery of materials and out-of-hours construction. Heighton swing gates are a unique design of our brand for the efficient transfer of materials between levels. Looks great and was finished ahead of time. NAW is an extremely busy supplier of controls and electronics. The brief was to build over the top of existing shelving. The building materials were dropped in stages and the installation was conducted between 5 p.m. and 1 a.m.
And look what they got now. Adrian Kerr, the store manager, said the construction ran like a dream. And now the business is set up for the next 10 years. Heighton mezzanine staircases, built in accordance with the BCA requirements that provide maximum safety for all personnel. And now everyone's happy. Heighton mezzanines from design to completion all over Australia. And you can just keep on working with no disruptions. Now here's another example. This company required an array of offices within this existing space. And they're going to have special rooms for welding, grinding, milling, and even engraving. All of this in a bonus 500 square metres on top. Really, look at all this space. The Heighton mezzanine gate, functionality and safety. And of course, edge protection. And yet again, another quality product from Heighton Mezzanines. Australian steel, Australian welders, Australian made. We guarantee the correct steel and the correct processes. They're all part of your solution.
Heighton Mezzanines, from design to completion. Just keep on working.